Well, hey there. This is Kevin, and wanted to show you a problem I got going on. I have a Jenn-Air double oven, and it's a little dirty, but the top heating element quit working. I thought the element was burned in two, and so I bought another one. And this is the one I suspect of being bad, and it measures 0 ohms across it. And I've yet to measure. I got double oven, and both of them measure that 0 ohms. Plus my my replacement measures 0 ohms. So I got a little figuring out there to do. But here's the can't see it. The control panel for the double oven. Pulled that off. There's my mop bucket. You can see I've been cleaning. So this has 2 control boards. And as you can see, I replaced this one in May of 09, and May of 09 on this one, and as of now, this is April of 24. So it's been a few, or 25, I should say, been a few years. But I'm looking at it, and this board powers off. But this is the board that controls it, and it sets up in here. And I pulled the screw out. You can see all the wires coming up into it here. I've got me a light, this little light up in here to kind of identify everything. Anyway, looking at it, when I put the new element in, it did not fix the problem. It still continued to. It gave me a slow beep, just a beep, beep, beep. Give me an error. So looking at it, the purple right here, this purple wire is one of the two, the heating element, and the red wire that goes to that top heating element. Looking at the PCB, we can see we got a relay right there. That black piece is a relay. And when I get in here and look at it, look at that. Right there's my problem. Cold solder joint on that relay. You can see where it's kind of turned brown. It's got a big black spot right underneath it. Let me see if I can zoom in. There it is, cold solder joint. So I don't see anything else. Okay, so here I am. I've got the control board out. This is control board that's on the right hand side, and it here's the piece. So just have to remove it from the holder, which shouldn't be too bad. Oh, here's the Jenn-Air part number. So right there's my culprit relay. I don't think that relay's bad. It's just bad solder joint. 30 amp, 250 volt. Made in Indonesia. Along with so many other electronic parts. And we can see right there where it says Broiler. Okay, so I've got the board pulled out, and I've got it here at my my rework station. I brought it in here to work, and we're going to zoom in on that pin. Look at that cold solder joint right there. Look at that guy. So we're going to take that, we're going to clean that up, and we're going to come over here to this other pin right beside it. It doesn't look the greatest. Looks like it's been warm. Of course, Broiler, you know, it's 220 up to 30 amps, so that's a lot of power for a little bitty trace like that. Zoom back out there a little bit. So this is a rework. I've got a desoldering station here, and my regular soldering station. 750, roughly 700 is what I'm set at. We're going to hit this thing with some flux. We're going to clean that pin all up real nice. and neat. We're going to desolder both those and then see what we can do. All right, so took about took almost no time at all. All I did was shoot it with a little bit of flux right here and heated this one. Oh, sorry about that. Moved on you just a little there. Now let's get it up on the camera so you can see it much better. Let's go back out here to 1x zoom. So you can see what we did there. So much better. Let's clean these guys up. Hit it with a little isopropyl alcohol. Not bad. Let's give it another good shot here. Board's kind of moving on me a little. So that's looking pretty good. Let's see what it looks like in the real world here. That one is dark, but it's just a reflection. You can see it right there. I reheated it. You can see where I touched it just a little right there with the desoldering station. But it all looks really nice. You know, the pin is pulled in there real good. The new one right there, that's the one that I just resoldered. Looks just really nice. Everything there looks good. This 220 coming in up there at the very top. Let's pull down here just a little. So all that looks excellent. It's all coming in there.